When you qualify for Pennsylvania tax forgiveness, you can also apply for a Philadelphia wage tax refund. You could get hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. This video shows you how to apply step by step for an income-based wage tax refund online on the Philadelphia Tax Center. Making a request online is easy and will help avoid delays in receiving your refund. Our online form can be completed even on a smartphone or tablet and is available in Spanish. Before you can start, you must first file a Pennsylvania personal income tax return and complete Schedule SP. You qualify for this Pennsylvania program based on your income. You can check income guidelines and file online for free at www.revenue.pa.gov. To receive a Philadelphia refund, you must provide a copy of your completed Pennsylvania Schedule SP. You must also provide a copy of every W-2 received from an employer for work you did last year. If you don't provide these documents, your refund request will be denied. Please make sure you can upload copies of these forms before you start your Philadelphia refund request. You'll be able to upload JPEGs, PDFs, or pictures of these documents into our system. Once your Pennsylvania and W-2 forms are ready, go to tax-services.phila.gov. From the Refunds panel on the homepage, select Request Wage Tax Refund. An instructions webpage provides information about the different types of wage tax refunds, including the low-income request. Select Next. Under Identification, enter your Social Security number and then confirm it. All the information you provide must be 100% accurate to receive your refund. Under Name, enter your first, middle, and last names. Each taxpayer, including spouses, must file a separate income-based wage tax petition. We do not accept joint filings for this refund. If your spouse is also eligible, complete a separate refund request. Under Contact, enter your phone, including the area code, and email address. Then select Next. Under Mailing Address, enter your street number and name, unit if needed, city, state, and zip. Validate the address, then select Next. Under Tax Filing Information, answer the question, are you a resident of Philadelphia? Both residents and non-residents can qualify for an income-based refund. Please provide accurate information. From the drop-down menu, choose the tax year for which you are requesting a refund, and choose the option, I am qualified for the income-based PA tax forgiveness rate. Then select Next. Now, this online form helps calculate if you meet the income requirements for this refund. Choose if you are married or unmarried. Now, enter your total PA Schedule SP eligibility income from your PA 40 form. Enter your number of dependents, then select Next. Now you must enter information from your W-2 form or forms. Select Add a Record. In the pop-up, enter information from your W-2 form. Enter your employer's identification number, or EIN, which is the 9-digit number in box B. Enter your wages, tips, and other compensation, which is the dollar amount in box 1. Enter your income withheld, which is the dollar amount in box 2. Enter your Social Security wages, which is the dollar amount in box 3. Enter your Social Security tax withheld, which is the dollar amount in box 4. Enter your Medicare wages, which is the dollar amount in box 5. Enter your Medicare tax withheld, which is the dollar amount in box 6. When you've finished, select Add. The numbers you entered from your W-2 appear on the screen. If you entered the wrong numbers and need to change them, select the pencil icon. If you have more W-2s, select Add a Record, and repeat the process for each additional W-2. You may only have one W-2. When you've entered the information for all your W-2s, select Next. Now, you must enter information for the state, but you will use the same W-2 form as before. Select Add a Record. In the pop-up, enter information from your W-2 form or forms. Enter the employer's Federal Employer ID, which is the 9-digit number in box B that you entered earlier. From the drop-down menu, select your state, which also appears in box 15 of your W-2. Enter your employer's state ID number. This is not the same as the federal EIN. Enter your state wages. Enter your state wage income tax. Enter your local wages, tips, etc. Enter your local income tax. Enter your locality name. The numbers you entered from your W-2 appear on the screen. If you entered the wrong numbers and need to change them, select the pencil icon. If you have more W-2s, select Add a Record and repeat the process for each additional W-2. You may only have one W-2. When you've entered the information for all your W-2s, select Next. The online form now asks to enter your gross wage information for 2 periods of the year. In the first field, enter your wages for the first half of the year. If you do not know the exact dollar amount, enter half the amount in the local wages, tips, etc. box on your W-2. In the second field, enter your Philadelphia wages for the second half of the year. If you do not know the exact dollar amount, enter half the amount in the local wages, tips, etc. box on your W-2. Select Next. Now, you must submit your tax documents. These include each W-2 entered and a completed Pennsylvania Schedule SP. If you do not live in Pennsylvania and don't file a Pennsylvania income tax return, you must also submit a signed copy of your state's income tax return. Select Add Attachments. In the pop-up, from the drop-down, select W-2. Now, select Choose File. Your W-2 must be saved as an electronic file on your device. Find your W-2 file on your device and select Open. Select OK. Select Add Attachments again. In the pop-up, from the drop-down, select PA Schedule SP. Select Choose File. Your Schedule SP must be saved as an electronic file on your device. Find your Schedule SP file on your device and select Open. Do not submit Word documents, or your request will be denied. Select OK. If you need to submit your non-Pennsylvania state income tax return, repeat the process for that file. Select Next. The online form calculates your wage tax refund. Review the information displayed, and then select Submit. A pop-up appears with the question, "Are you sure you want to submit this request?" To confirm, enter your email twice, and select OK. A confirmation page appears. Select OK. You now know how to complete the online income-based wage tax refund form. If you prefer to use a paper form, you can download one at phila.gov/revenue. If you have questions about wage tax refunds, please email refund.unit@phila.gov, or you can call 215-686-6574. Thank you for watching this video.